Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and today we are doing a 4 ingredient simple recipe for scones. It's going to be an exciting video. So I'm gonna need a flour, 12 cups of flour, a 500-gram margarine, rama, it's my choice, and then 10 teaspoons of baking powder, but I prefer to use 12 teaspoons rather. And number 4 is a sugar, 1.5 cup of sugar. So this one is optional. I'm going to put in some vanilla essence. Okay, I'm gonna use again 1 liter of milk for 12 cups of flour. It's a cake flour, so let's get along and bake with me.
First of all, I'll take the melted margarine and put it in the bowl so that I can mix it with sugar. That's the first thing that I am going to do, because I don't have those beautiful and fancy utensils to use for mixing. I'm gonna use a wooden spoon, and then now I am pouring a sugar, which is 1.5 cups. The normal ingredients that people use is 2 cups of sugar, but I find it too sweet. So I toned it down to 1.5 of sugar. So I am mixing the two until they are tender. Following this is a flour. I use snowflake cake flour, and this is 12 cups. You can see the size of the cup. It's not a heap like a mug, and the cup is filled up to the brim. We don't make a mountain of flour in the cup.
That we're getting closer to a brand new night. The past is finally getting over. I really think it's time to say goodbye. I don't know what starts to control me. I'll let it go, another soul that's underneath. I don't really care about this all. It's the fall that kills me.
Since I don't have those fancy mixers, I use my hand now to mix the two, and I'm making sure that after mixing them, they are not sticking to my hands. So you don't have to be harsh on the flour. Just roll your hand until it is thoroughly mixed. You can see now the mixture is turning into a yellowish color, which is turning out right. It means the flour and the margarine are blending very well. I'm using royal baking powder. It has been my favorite baking powder since I knew how to bake. I am pouring in 14 teaspoons of of baking powder. Normally it's 12 versus 12 cups of flour versus 12 teaspoons of baking powder, but I normally exceed with 2 teaspoons so that they can turn out so fluffy. Now the last ingredient that I'm using is full cream milk. I am using 1 liter of milk. Normally I divide my flour into 4 equal parts, like quarter, 4 portions, which I mix first portion with milk, then lay it on the table, cut it to the size that I want. For me to have a fluffy scones, I do not touch the flour with my hands. I just roll it up and down, side to side, with that wooden spoon and take it to the table while it's so soft. And when laying it down, I don't want to use that wooden roller. I just pat it down and cut it to the shape that I want, and also the thickness that I want, which is medium thickness. So this is the end of the video, guys. The scones turned out so nice. The oven was preheated at 180 degrees before I can put the pan inside the oven. This is the outcome, and they were tasting really good. I hope you try the ingredients, and they are so less in price. Do enjoy your scones, guys.